Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ikra Fashion Creator. I hope you will be fine. Today I am going to share beautiful brooch design. These brooch are made with crochet. It's very stylish and beautiful design. These brooch design are in different color and different style. Please watch my full video, don't skip it. I hope you will like today's my video. Please like, comment and let me know what you think. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more content. Take care until next time.